All right, today we're going to learn how to create an Addigy policy and assign an Apple MDM certificate to this policy. So within my policies page here, I'll click New. And let's say I'm managing a company called Bravo Networks. I can give it a little company icon here. Add a little bit of color as well. Right. Continue, and we'll make this an empty policy. Well, we're done, right? Not yet. How do we actually assign an MDM enrollment profile to this policy so that we can begin enrolling machines directly into Bravo Networks? Click on Integrations and Settings. MDM enrollment profile, we'll use the certificate we created earlier. Display name, this is all going to be user-facing, so just be advised. And that's when you're doing that. And then save profile. And that's how you create an Addigy policy and assign an MDM certificate to this policy. This MDM certificate is inherited, so if you create any sub-policies, they will inherit this particular MDM enrollment profile. And again, what this does is it lands on the machine, end user approves of this reaching the machine, and the Addigy agent installs. And now you have a fully managed machine.